Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we will be discussing this problem from recent Codeforces Division 2 round, and for some reason or the other, many people found this problem interesting and difficult as well. So let's see how we can work it out. So there is a number x. So the crux of the problem is, so there is a number x and you have which is less than 10 to the power of 8 and greater than 0, and you have to find one another positive number that is greater than 0 and less than 10 to the power of 9, such that x concatenated by y concatenated with y divided by x plus y is an integer. Okay, so x concatenated y modulo x plus y should be 0. Okay, and what is x concatenated y? So if x is equal to 1 2 3 and y is equal to 4 5 6, then x concatenated y, this number would be 1 2 3 4 5 6. That's simple to understand. And yes, so let's look at the solution, how it goes. Okay, so you are given a number x. So if you concatenate it with some other number y, what will it become? So basically it will become x into 10 to the power of length of number y plus y, right? So take some time to digest this. As we have seen before, x is 1 2 3 and if y is 4 5 6, then it basically becomes 1 2 3 into 10 to the power of number of digits in this number, that is 3, plus 4 5 6, right? Yes, it makes sense. Now what we want is that 10 to the power of length into x plus y divided by x plus y should be an integer. Okay, some multiple, okay, m, which is an integer, and we have to find such suitable y. Okay, so what are the things here that we don't know? We don't know y, we don't know length, and we don't know m. Okay, so like in these type of problems, try to work things around. So cross multiply, group the terms, try doing plus 1 minus 1 wherever needed. So that was my technique to solve this problem. Okay, that's not the technique, that's hit and trial and error. Okay, that's technique as well. So anyway, let's see. X into 10 to the power of length plus y is equal to m into x plus m into y. So cross multiplying there, fairly easy. And let's group x on the one side. So 10 to the power of length minus m is equal to y into m minus 1. Okay, so here we are, and x into, so 10 to the power of length minus m divided by m minus 1 is equal to y, right? Minus m here. So we have reached here, and like in maybe for some students in their JEE days, so joint entrance examination days, so if you kind of see these type of things, you might be tempted to do plus 1 minus 1 kind of thing, right? So 10 to the power of length minus 1 plus 1 and minus m as it is divided by m minus 1, which is equal to y. And why this helps is that, so we can separate the terms, right? So 10 to the power of length minus 1 minus x into m minus 1 divided by m minus 1 is equal to y. And yes, how it benefits is that, so we can cancel this term, right? So then we get x into 10 to the power of length minus 1 minus x, okay, are divided by m minus 1 minus x is equal to y. Now one clever thing that I'll do here is that, so I can always choose a m such that m minus 1 is equal to x, right? So it is fairly like simple fact, but mathematically I remember there's, okay, the natural numbers are not bounded upside or something like that. So if I cleverly take m is equal to x plus 1 here, what I will be able to achieve is that, so this m minus 1 and this x would get cancelled, right? Then my expression would become 10 to the power of length minus 1 minus x is equal to y. X is bad. Okay, so this will be my final expression. So what we have achieved is that we have eliminated the m. We have eliminated the m. Now this further boils down to 10 to the power of length minus 1 is equal to x plus y. And yes, now if I like vary length freely, so one sure short thing is that x and y are like both positive numbers, so x plus y is surely greater than x. So what you can do is that, rather than checking if length is equal to 1 satisfies or length is equal to 2 satisfies, we know that x is less than 10 to the power of 8, right, as given in the problem. So we can just choose length is equal to 9, because if we choose length is equal to 9, so 10 to the power of 9 minus 1 would always be greater than x, right, as x is less than 10 to the power of 8. And so this will be the thing, and x your y would be directly 10 to the power of 9 minus 1 minus x. And yes, this will satisfy all of your conditions that are given in the problem. And yes, that's basically the solution. You try to eliminate m and try to work the things around, and this is the simple way to choose y or length basically. And yes, uh, in like by choosing length is equal to 9, this expression also guarantees you that the length of y would be 9. Okay, so how do we guarantee that? So x is less than 10 to the power of 8, right? So by taking any number that is less than 10 to the power of 8, you can't decrease this 10 to the power of 9 minus 1 to some 8 digit number or lesser. It will always be 9 digit number. So taking this 9 kind of suffices. So yes, that's basically the whole solution. Yes, let's head towards the code. I mean, there's nothing in code, just take input as x and output 10 to the power of 9 minus 1 minus x. So for some reason, some bad calculations, I hit wrong answers on paid test 1, but anyways, let's see at the correct solution. Yes, that's so simple, right? And one more thing is that I tried hacking some guy's solution or some girl's solution, I don't know, on this problem itself, but I was unable to hack it and lost 150 points. I tried to hack it thrice, but yeah, that significantly lowered my rank. But anyways, while hacking, I was able to see many people's submissions during the contest after locking my problem, locking my solution. and some many of the guys have just outputted 2 times x. So they have taken input as x and their y would be simply 2 times x. Now how does that work? So the way that works is that our x into 10 to the power of length plus y divided by x plus y should be an integer, right? That is well established. And if you take y is equal to 2x, what happens is that, so our expression reduces to plus 2x divided by 3 times x. Now if you cancel out the x, the expression remains 10 to the power of length plus 2 divided by 3. And as the divisibility theorem of 3 says that if the sum of the digits in the number is divisible by 3, then that number is divisible by 3, and sum of the digits in this number, okay, so when length is equal to 1, it will be 10 plus 2 12. When length is equal to 2, it will be 100 plus 2 102. So basically 1 plus 2 3, basically that sum of the digits is divisible by 3, so that's why outputting 2 times x just suffices. Okay, and in the similar ways, what I have noticed is that people also have outputted 8 times x. So what will this yield is that 10 to the power of length plus 8 divided by 9. So the same divisibility theorem goes for 9 as well. So in this case, this would also suffice, right? Yes. So those are some solutions that I saw during the contest after locking my problem. Yes, so that is basically it. If you gained some value out of the video, consider liking and staying tuned to the channel by subscribing to it. And yes, see you again.